construction of angle 30 degree. We can see how to construct an angle 30 degree. First of all, we have to draw a line. I am drawing a line and give the name as PQ. Drawing a line and name it as PQ. Any 2 points on the line I have marked here. Okay. Now we have to construct 30 degree. To construct angle 30 degree, first of all you have to construct angle 60 degree. If you get angle 60 degree, you bisect that angle, we will get a 30 degree. So first we can construct angle 60 degree. For that, with the P as center, any convenient radius, you have to draw an arc. This arc is intersecting the line at the point X with the center X and the same radius. You have to draw another arc which intersects the previous arc. You can mark it as Y. Now join PY. Join PY. This is 60 degree angle we made. Now we have to bisect this angle. For that, we have an arc XY. Take more than half of radius as XY. I am taking almost the same radius as XY, and with the center Y, draw an arc. With the same radius at the center X, draw another arc. Mark the point of intersection as Z. Now you have to join PZ. Join PZ. Now take the protractor and you can see that we got exact 30 degree and this also 30 degree. So this angle is 30 degree. Similarly this also 30 degree. Hence angle YPZ equal to angle ZPX equal to 30 degree is the required angle we made. Now we can see the steps for construction. For that, first we have to construct angle 60 degree. That I think you are able to do. First of all, you have to draw a line PQ. Mark a point P at here, and with any radius draw an arc which intersect the line at the point X. With the center X and the same radius, draw another arc. Mark the point of intersection as Y. Now join PY, which is of 60 degree. Now we have 60 degree. We have to make a 30 degree. For that, with the center Y and the radius more than half of XY, draw an arc. With the center Y, radius more than half of XY, draw an arc. With the same radius and center at X, draw another arc. Mark the point of intersection as Z. Now join PZ. Now we get angle YPZ equal to angle ZPX equal to 30 degree, which is the required angle. Now we can see the steps for construction. First you have to construct angle 60 degree. For that, first you have to draw a line and mark it as PQ. Now this is the point P with the center P and any convenient radius. Draw an arc which intersect the line at the point X. With the same radius and center at X, draw another arc and mark the point of intersection as Y. Now join PY, which is the 60-degree angle we constructed. Now we have to bisect this 60-degree. For that, you can take center at Y and radius more than half of YX. Draw an arc. With the same radius, center at X, you can draw another arc. Mark the point of intersection of arc as Z. Now join PZ. Now angle YPZ equal to angle ZPX equal to 30 degree, which is the required angle. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.